My name is Ibineweka Osamede. I'm the gubernatorial candidate of Allied People's Movement APM in the forthcoming Edo State gubernatorial election, slated on the 19th September 2020. My friends call me Eddie, but my new name is a New D. In the past, a lot has happened. The social contract between the people of Edo State and the government has been serially abused and degraded. In a high time we stop this error committed by the past leaders. I have 5 key point agenda. Firstly, I want to use this media to address the youth and also know the power that the youth possess. It is better we wake up to our responsibility and protect our future. These old politicians are close to their grave. All they do is to loot and to give back little back to the public. And when we try to ask for our rights and they show us their white hair, youth are supposed to be empowered. If I may draw your attention back to the 70s to 80s, our present leader today started early, before 40, while they control the affairs of the nation. E.g. General Yakubu Gowon, General Muhammadu Buhari, General Olusegun Obasanjo were all below 40 when they took control over this great nation. My fellow youth, let us put an end to this hijack and vote for our following youth, who knows your pains and your grievances. Insecurity. It is a great deal of displeasure that I want to address this issue. Over the years, our guests have been engaged in commercial sex working, including our boys, while our boys are engaged in robbery, courtesan, kidnapping, and yahoo and whatsoever. If I may say, Edo State youth are intelligent youth that have not been given the opportunity to express themselves to the society. That is the reason why there is an insecurity in the state. My agenda is to carry out a system engage of our youth by involving them, both state actors and non-state actors, in an active initiative to get our youth out of the streets. Provision of employment opportunities by supporting the growth of small-scale and medium-scale businesses is key. They are an integral part of our new society. Recycling of leadership. Over the years, the same set of persons and elites have been piloting the affairs of the state, and they are decamping from one party to other. And at the end, they make up and the people are deceived and begin to look stupid, just as we are seeing today. Nepotism come to play, and the youth are employed to do the dirty job before the election and after the election. When they get into power, they forget us. After 4 years, they will come back with this same old story, just as we are seeing today. Unemployment. This is a very serious problem in the country, but with the very strong reference to Edo State. A lot more can be done. Before the emergence of Governor Godwin Obaseki, there was a lot of public deceit over employment, particularly by the administration of former governor and the then former national chairman of APC. We have resolved to focus our attention on the youth of this state by engaging with the key industry players and the necessary support required for their operation for onward employment of the youth. Small and medium scale business require training and initiatives for them to be able to expand and consequently employ more youth. The approach is the key in reducing the burden of the government for direct employment by indirect sponsor employment growth in the private sector. Nigerian manufacturers and the key stakeholders in businesses have repeatedly canvassed for sufficient power provision. Many industrialists have had to close down due to power problem, and our local manufacturers are unable to compete internationally due to the power factors. Therefore, it remains an important national issue that must be addressed in my administration. I have resolved to join hands with the private sectors in the drive to generate and ultimately step down wages and application of power to the businesses and commercial industries. Social amenities. The lack of social amenities in the state, such as good roads, pipe-borne water, medical facilities, shelter, good schools, security, job creation, just to name few. If you cannot provide all this, there's no business telling the good people of Edo State lies just for you to get to office and go back to your old self, stealing the state funds and not catering for the people you claim to be governed. According to Mary Parker Funnett, leaders are born, not made. I, Ibineweka Osamede, gubernatorial candidate of APM, am here to take the people of Edo State to the new day. And I use this opportunity to wake up the youth and go down to the field that day and vote for APN. Long live APN, long live Edo State, long live Nigeria.